Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Infinity Jobs. So today we can see multiple vacancy from more than 30 schools. जून मंथ की सबसे ज़्यादा वैकेंसी निकली हुई है. If you want to apply or if you are still looking for the job, you can apply to the following schools. One by one we will see each and every school for PGT, TGT and other posts as well. Non-teaching के लिए भी है. The very first school is Rich Harvest Public School. It's in Janakpuri A1 block. So candidates who are applying for headmistress, TGT, PRT, activity teachers, they need for art and craft, instrumental, they need coaches as well, yoga, skating, and librarian, lab assistant, accountant, account office can apply to the given mail ID. Next up we have Spring Meadows Public School. They have requirement for PGT English, Hindi, Math, Sociology, Biology, Chemistry, Physics, Computer Science, Physical. Almost सभी subjects के लिए they need a teacher at PGT post and same for the TGT as well. Librarian PET भी apply कर सकते हो and apart from that lab assistant, music and dance teacher, you can drop your CV between 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. there. Next up we have Indira Ideal School, Janakpuri. It's in C3 block. Here also walk-in interview is going on for the PGT Physics, Computer Science, TGT Science, Computer Science Drawing and various PRT subjects teacher. Walk-in interview is going on from 24 June to 27 June from 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. in principal office. Next up we have Holy Convent School. It's near to the Uttam Nagar West Metro Station. So following are the PGT requirements: English, Hindi, Maths, Economics, Commerce. Walk-in interview is going on or you can send your resume directly on the given mail ID holyconvent2008@gmail.com. So all the fresher candidates can apply there. They prefer freshers as well. Next up we have St. Teresa School. It's in Kaushambi, Vasundhara. So all the candidates who reside nearby East Delhi, they can go there. Walk-in interview is going on between 23rd to 25th June for the following post. Timing is 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can also drop your CV at the given mail ID. So hurry up, buckle up your shoes. अब ये लास्ट मोमेंट है, जून आ गया है. डोंट फॉरगेट, जितने भी लोग हु आर लुकिंग फॉर द जॉब, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम टू अप्लाई. बाल भवन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्कूल जो आज का है हमारा. सेक्टर 12 द्वारका में जॉब निकली है टीजीटी के लिए, एटीएल टीचर के लिए. वॉक इन इंटरव्यू इज़ गोइंग ऑन देयर 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So go there, apply and all the best. Next is Kala Niketan International School. It's in Gazipur. So गाज़ियाबाद साइड के जितने भी कैंडिडेट्स हैं, एप्लीकेंट्स हैं, वो सब अप्लाई कर सकते हो. दे रिक्वायर फीमेल स्टाफ. सो PGT, TGT, एकेडमिक कोऑर्डिनेटर असिस्टेंट के लिए वॉक इन इंटरव्यू जिनका मिस हो चुका है, नाउ दे कैन सेंड देयर रिज्यूमे विद द लेटेस्ट फोटोज. ऑल द बेस्ट. Next up we have our Bloom Public School. This is in Vasant Kunj. So they need PRT, mother teacher, special educator, teaching assistant. See, ये जो टाइम है जून का भी एंड होने वाला है. सो जुलाई में when the school will get reopen, you will have a job. So this is the best time to apply in all the schools. Go for the interview. Walk-in चल रहे हैं सब जगह. Go in maximum number of school and get a job. Next up we have Savanu International School. दिस इज़ इन मुखमलपुर रोड, जिनपुर, दिल्ली में है ये. दे नीड एकेडमिक कोऑर्डिनेटर, PGT, TGT, PRT. दे नीड मैक्सिमम इन ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स फॉर PRT. And apart from that, if you have good communication skills and good confidence, you can apply from there. They also provide free transportation for Rohini and Jahangirpuri. You can apply there. बाल भवन पब्लिक स्कूल जो लास्ट वाला था, दैट वॉज इन Dwarka, but this is in Lakshmi Nagar. So here also we can see the vacancy for PGT, TGT, primary teacher, dance teacher. Walk-in interview is going on. If you have missed the interview, you can still send your resume to the school mail ID. Next up we have Dev Samaj Modern School. This school is in Nehru Nagar. सो दे रिक्वायर लैब असिस्टेंट, डेटा एंट्री. जितने भी नॉन टीचिंग हैं वो भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. PET के लिए, TGTs के लिए, PRT के लिए, PGT के लिए वॉक इन इंटरव्यू चल रहे हैं. सो मैक्सिमम स्कूल्स में आप लोग अप्लाई करो. इफ़ यू हैव स्टिल नॉट गेट एनी जॉब, तो आप लोग, ये बेस्ट टाइम है वॉक इन में जाने का. नेक्स्ट है कैम्ब्रिज इंटरनेशनल स्कूल. ये बहुत अच्छा स्कूल है एंड इट हैज़ अ रेपुटेशन. सो आप इसमें ज़रूर अप्लाई करो. इफ़ यू हैव गुड क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस यू मस्ट हैव अप्लाइड देयर. पीजीटी के लिए पोस्ट निकली है, टीजीटी के लिए पोस्ट निकली है, एंड विद इन 7 days यू मस्ट सेंड ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड रिज्यूमे to the given mail ID. Next up, we have Lieutenant Colonel Meher Little Angels. This school is in Paschim Bihar. They need PGT, TGT, PRT. Apply latest by 21st June. If you have missed, still you can send your resume to them. They will call you for the interview. Don't miss any chance. Don't miss any school. Apply at the maximum. Next up, we have Shri Ram Siksha Mandir School. This is in Jindpur. सो टीजीटी इंग्लिश, पीजीटी साइकोलॉजी के लिए आप लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हो. कंप्यूटर नॉलेज इज़ मस्ट. इफ़ यू हैव गुड एक्सपीरियंस यू कैन अप्लाई देयर. आपको देखना चाहिए. इफ़ यू कैन हैव कन्वीनियंस टू गो देयर देन यू कैन अप्लाई. सो मैक्सिमम अप्लाई करो. इफ़ यू आर क्वालिफाइंग इन एनी ऑफ द कैटेगरी यू शुड अप्लाई. नेक्स्ट है बाल भवन पब्लिक स्कूल, मयूर विहार. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्कूल्स. आप पीजीटी, टीजीटी, पीआरटी के लिए यू कैन अप्लाई. स्कूल एजुकेटर, taekwondo इंस्ट्रक्टर. So all the freshers can also apply if you have qualified CTET, have good computer knowledge, well spoken in English. You can apply there on their website. You can find the form. Next is KSK Academy Senior Secondary Public School. Here also we can see PGT, TGT and PRT vacancies. They have application form on their school website in the recruitment section. So if you will get shortlisted they will call you back. Apply there. All the best. Apply in the maximum number of schools and get a job. Shakti Mandir Premvati Public School. Here also we can see this school is in Daryaganj. So जो central Delhi के candidates है they can apply there. Here also we can see TGT, PRT posts. Non-teaching posts are also there. See, this is the best time to apply and go for the interviews. Go for maximum number of interviews because it will also give you the experience of interviews. You can, when you will face the interviews you will get the confidence to face the complete panel. So go there. All the best. Next up we can see Neo Convent Senior Secondary School. It's in Paschim Bihar. They need PET male teacher. They need primary teachers as well for all the subjects. So you can send your resume. You can apply to their website. Next is Delhi Heritage School. This is also one of the best school. This school is in Rohini in sector 22. Walk-in interview is going on the following dates. 23rd June को walk-in interview चल रहा है. You can go there and appear for the interview for the following posts. This is the high time to get a job. So all the best for your interview. Next up we have Sovereign School. This school is in Rohini sector 24. They need teacher for PGT, TGT, physical education, mathematics and GK, PGT, mathematics, English and history. This is one of the best school in Rohini sector 24. You can drop your resume at the given mail ID and all the best for your interview. Next up we have Adharshila Public School. Adharshila Public School has one speciality that after 5 to 6 years they will make you a permanent teacher over there. So here we can see the vacancy for PGT, TGT, Computer Science, Mathematics, PGT, IP. They have given their mail ID so that you can drop your resume or CV to them. This school is in Pitampura CD block. So all the best and drop your CV over there. Next, we can see some vacancies in Sahodya Senior Secondary School. This school is also in Hauzkhas, New Delhi. TGT Spanish, TGT English come Social Science, TGT Social Science come English. Here also you can apply between 20th to 25th June between 9 a.m. to 12 noon on all working days. And there are PP International School, Crescent School. You can apply for your respective subjects. Also we can see vacancy in Gyan Sagar Abhinav Public School and GD Lancer Public School if you have the following qualification. So all the best candidates, apply in the maximum schools if you are fresher, and if you are experienced then select your school and get a job by the end of this month. It's a high time to go for the interview because when the school will reopen in July, you must be having a job. The very last school is Manav Bharati School. Here we can see the jobs for PGT, PRT, nursery teachers, and they also need accountant as well. 20 walk-in interview is going on 24th and 25th June. So all the best. Go for the walk-in interview, and if you like my video, then don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.